It's that idea of proximity, right? So, and that's where the theory and practice should come together, because in theory, like, it sounds great, but I need those
Right.
same folks to come on the ground with me and see how this theory is going to be implemented, because
Mhm.
we need more asterisk on those theories.
And I just want to add too that theory changes, right? Theories change constantly. I think about, just in a nutshell, in its rawness, what was the purpose of public education in the United States? And
Mhm.
history tells us that education was developed for children to grow up to meet the demands of society. That's the definition of public education. Well, guess what? Society changes,
Okay.
right? It's
Yeah.
just that education hasn't changed with it.